Did you know that many people try to lose weight multiple times each year? They try all sorts of diets. Some are trendy, some are very restrictive. Many of these diets don't work. Why? Because they are based on myths. They don't focus on what really matters, long-term health. This essay is different. It's not about quick fixes or magic pills. This is about a way of eating that is designed for women. It's about making healthy choices. It's about feeling good inside and out. This essay will give you the tools you need to succeed. We'll talk about the struggles women face with weight loss. We'll bust some common myths. We'll reveal a diet plan that is both effective and easy to follow. Women are unique. Their bodies have special needs. This is especially true when it comes to weight loss. Factors like hormones and metabolism play a big role. That's why a one-size-fits-all diet plan often fails. This diet plan is designed with women in mind. It focuses on whole, unprocessed foods. It helps balance hormones naturally. It emphasizes foods that boost metabolism and burn fat. This plan is about more than just losing weight. It's about gaining health. It's about having more energy. It's about feeling confident in your own skin. Many women struggle with dieting. They try to cut calories drastically. They eliminate entire food groups. This can lead to cravings and feeling deprived. It can also backfire. When you restrict too much, your body goes into starvation mode. It holds on to fat. This diet plan is different. It's not about deprivation, it's about abundance. It's about eating delicious, satisfying foods that nourish your body. This plan focuses on real food. It avoids processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These are the things that sabotage weight loss efforts. Section 4. Fueling your body. Right? The diet plan. This diet plan is simple and easy to follow. It's based on 3 main meals and 1 snack per day. Each meal includes a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Here's a sample meal plan. Breakfast, oatmeal with berries and nuts. Lunch, a big salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas. Snack, apple slices with almond butter. Dinner, salmon with roasted vegetables. Portion control is key. Use smaller plates. Listen to your body and eat until you are satisfied, not stuffed. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Section 5. Sarah's success, a weight loss journey. Sarah, a busy mom of 2, struggled with her weight for years. She tried every diet fad, but nothing seemed to stick. She felt tired and defeated. Then she discovered this new way of eating. I was amazed at how simple it was, Sarah shares. I started eating real food and cutting out processed junk. I felt a difference almost immediately. Within a few months, Sarah lost a significant amount of weight. More importantly, she felt amazing. She had more energy to keep up with her kids. She felt confident and happy in her own skin. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of this diet plan. Section 6. Your path to a healthier you. This diet plan is more than just a temporary fix. It's a lifestyle change. It's about making sustainable choices that will lead to long-term weight management and overall health. This plan emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, hydration, drinking plenty of water throughout the day, mindful eating, paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This is not about being perfect. It's about making gradual changes over time. It's about finding what works best for you and your body. Section 7. Join the journey. Share your story. Ready to embark on your own weight loss journey? Remember, you are not alone. Thousands of women have found success with this plan. Share your story, your struggles, and your triumphs. Let's inspire and support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier us. Remember, you are capable of achieving your weight loss goals. Start today and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you.